No, it is recording, Caitlin.
That's my little flathead.
Flathead.
So what you call that down there? What is that? What you taking off?
This is the end cap for your piston.
The end caps. So you're saying each every end caps is different.
Yeah, you're about to see what I'm talking about right now. So, these are your bearings right here. I fucked this bearing up, but you're getting this new, so it really don't matter. This is the bearing. This goes on that. Right? So this goes on this, and that's basically, this is already your crankshaft. But now what I was telling you.
Daddy, look who's here.
Oh, it's cocaine.
What's good?
Yo, what up? I haven't seen you in that long, bro.
What's good, cocaine?
Taking out my engine apart. Ooh, came out.
This is your engine?
Came up.
That's not
I'm not worried about that. I'm taking the whole piston out right now.
Look what's in the backyard. Look what's in the backyard. Come.
So, you know, these are your rings.
Do I have to do this too?
Yeah. So, what I was telling you is, these are specific to each piston, right? I'm gonna try to put it on backwards if I can. That is the way it goes. So this backwards, right?
It's gotta be like Albert Einstein or shit with this shit.
Well, I got no oil, so I can't do it, but you can see it. You see how it's not straight?
There's a little notch. Yeah.
They cut it at an angle on purpose. So there's no way you could put this on backwards. Because it's going to leave a gap and you're going to know. And then when you put it on backwards, you already know this shit going to be slapping like a motherfucker in there. So these are specific. But this one don't got the number on it. But yeah, that's basically the whole point. These rods are specific to each one. So you can't use this one
On like
on
piston number
another
6,
piston now.
number
These
5,
these
whatever.
always got to stay together. I will show y'all better, but since there's no oil, I really can't put it in. I don't want to force it. Pause. Hey yo, hey yo,
Hey, yo.
hey yo. Alright, you see this is how it goes. So you see how it closes up nicely.
Yeah.
If you put it on the other way,
Daddy, look.
oh actually no, scratch that. This is how it goes. You see how it closes better?
Yeah.
So that's how you want to keep it.
Yeah. I'm changing this. I'm replacing all of this.
Now you're just replacing the bearings and the new rings. So that's why the piston got to come out.
So I'm staying with the same piston.
Yeah.
So it's good.
Alright, yo. I'm about to go get food and shit,
Bro,
bro.
you just be coming here for like 2 minutes and you
Bro, I
stop.
can't even say what's good to y'all. I see y'all niggas building the engine and shit.
Building a spaceship.
See how it comes out.
So what I usually like to do. Alright, bro. What I usually like to do is this. You could put this bolt back in, right?
How do you put it back in?
Like that.
You gotta turn it. Remember? Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Tighten it real quick.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Righty tighty.
Like this is gonna be easier, bro. So what I do is
Righty
turn it.
tighty,
Look, he's
lefty.
turning it. Look. The whole thing is turning, baby.
Yeah.
you see, you could put it, catch it in a position that there's gonna be straight down. Like that, you can shoot the bolts out, hit the piston right out.
Yeah.
Now
So that's all you're gonna be doing. Just turn it and snap off the bolts.
Alright, so it's not.
Yeah.
I gotta label the pistons.
Dun, dun, dun,
Yeah, it would be smart to do it. This was. I took out this one. There's the oil. This is 3. Cylinder 3. The one that's out right now. Does it go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6?
Cylinder 3? Okay, so 3. So that should
Nah,
be
just
okay.
mark it. Even whiteout. I'll be using whiteout on that shit. And just put the bolts back in. If you want to put the bearings back in too. Like that, you know. Look, I'm gonna leave it here so in case you gotta turn it.
Oh yeah.
Now we're going back to.
So I gotta change those 6, right?
Yeah. Because the pistons gotta come out, so that's why you gotta get those new bearings. Those bearings are a one-time use.
Yeah? Okay. So, I went to Harbor Freight. I got a couple of wire brushes, different sizes, different shape. Small ones, big ones. Small ones to get to the little crevices right here. Yeah, bro. Magic. So yeah, so I will be using these wire brushes to brush the whole block. Actually, as you can tell, I started brushing this, making it clean the whole block. But it's already looking nice. I just got to get to the, these little spaces right here. But yeah.